If you want to play Zenless Zone Zero with a controller in 2026 and it's not responding or mapping correctly, here's the clean setup that works. And quick heads up, if this helps, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss ZZZ setup guides like this. First, confirm your platform supports it. PC and console versions support controllers natively. Mobile support depends on the device and OS version. So make sure your game is fully updated before testing. On PC, plug in your controller via USB or connect it through Bluetooth before launching the game. Once in ZZZ, go to Settings, Arrow Controls, Arrow Input Device, and switch from keyboard to controller. If it doesn't auto-detect, restart the game with the controller already connected. If you're using Steam, make sure Steam input isn't conflicting. Either disable Steam controller overrides for ZZZ or configure the layout properly so inputs aren't doubled or blocked. For Bluetooth controllers on Windows, open Bluetooth settings, pair the controller first, then launch ZZZ. If inputs lag, switch to wired, it's more stable. On mobile, connect your controller through Bluetooth in your device settings first, then open ZZZ. If buttons don't register, close and reopen the game so it redetects the device. If controls feel off, go into controller settings and adjust sensitivity and camera speed. Default sensitivity is often too high for precise combat. Pro tip, always connect your controller before launching the game. ZZZs sometimes won't switch input modes mid-session. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with your controller and platform and I'll help you dial it in.